I think there's multiple impacts all across I would say, the transaction chain. So the first impact, of course, is on mobile networks. On the mobile network themselves, we're seeing an explosion in the amount of connections. And not only the amount of connection is rising, but those connections are not ending, are never ending. They can be open for an hour, they cannot be open for a day. That put a huge strain on all the IP devices, on what's called the GI interface, or on the IP browsing path of the carrier. So we're seeing lack of IP addresses, public IP addresses, that causes those carriers to look for carrier-grade NAT or large-scale NAT solutions. We're seeing firewalls and other devices that are getting to their maximum capacity handling this amount of sessions. And we're seeing all the various value-added tools like video optimization, web acceleration, and so on also getting into severe scalability issues. So our solution with the mobile service edge addresses all these needs. We provide carrier-grade NAT, we do redirection based on end-user device type to differentiate iPads from iPhones or iPhones from desktops or laptops with 3G connectivity. We can do redirection based on user awareness, application awareness, content awareness to really optimize all the tools that need to touch those iPhones, iPads connections. So that's one area of impact. The second area of impact is obviously on the content providers. Suddenly you have all kinds of devices, each with different capabilities based on the size of the screen, the color palette, uh, the connection capacity that it has, the latency, and so on. And your mission is to deliver your application or your content in the best way with the best user experience in the fastest time. So here our application delivery have unique value based on the content, the device, the connection capability. We can really optimize the delivery of the web application to the end user in real time without any change for the application. So obviously here you need to take into account the device capabilities and the network that the user is coming through, all of that in real time to marry it with the special web content that you want to deliver. So we're seeing impacts both at the content provider level or the SaaS provider level as well as on the mobile network.